Okay, now I'm going to talk about background color. We learned how to change the color of the text. What about the background? Now that's easy. Just say background dash color. So to add another property to target all the piece, you can just type it here next to it or before. So if you type background color, colon, remember it's always the same thing. Name of the property, colon, type the value, and semicolon. I can say, let's say the background color, let's do black, semicolon. If I click run, you can see the backgrounds turn black. So, paragraph background color is now black. Now, this is okay to have it next to each other, but it's a little bit harder for us to see. So for styling purposes, the computer doesn't care. It's more for us when we read the code. I like to always have one property pair per line. So I'm going to break a line there. And like I told you before, I always like to have a space after the colon. It works the same way. It will not have any effect on what we see, the outcome. Okay, so summarizing again, first you need to target something in the document. When you say the name of the element, that means all of the elements that are P in this document will have the following property specified between the opening or closing curly braces. We always write the property name, colon, value, semicolon, and then repeat as needed. So continuing, let's talk about other properties. Let's align this text here in the center. I know it might be hard for you to see. Let me change the color to red. So to align the text, the name of the property is text dash align. And then the value is several values. One of them is center. So notice when we write CSS properties, we separate the words by a dash, and they're always lowercase. That's a naming convention. They'll always be like that in CSS. Now click run. You can see now that the paragraph is centered about this whole line. So the paragraph itself, it takes space of the whole row, the line. And if you want a line at the center, you use that property.